name's Lily, and I want you to see how tame my chickens are. They let me hold them all the time.
Hey, that's my turkey. That's my turkey.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Did it really matter?
Goodbye, where are you, baby? See, this one's Cutie Pie, my little sweet baby. She's a miniature baby.
Okay, I see her. Come here, you. Oh, can I show them? Here. Okay, one cool trick. We've had her since she was 1 day old, and she's so tame that you can just, here, you've gotten big. So you can hold her like, you can hold her like this and just put your hands straight and she'll just lay there.
I'm gonna get your furry butt soon.
Like this. Now she won't do it. Okay. Ooh, take a bite. Good on, cutie.
And this one's my little buddy. I've been raising her since she was 2 days old, and her name is Sugar Pie.
This is my Rhode Island Red. This is the one that this is one of my favorites because she'll jump onto my back anytime, and she's so pretty. She's very soft too.
Why did someone have on my back just now?
That's my bird rock.
Ouchie!
Okay, so the spotted one on the spotted one on the right is my barred rock. Her name is Dottie, and there's my Rhode Island Red. Okay. Okay. Twinkie tried to just jump on it. Look, okay, Lily, you might want to put your one fell off and bumped his head. Okay, now my chickens are gonna.
Okay, Lily, what's in your hand? Stand up.
My baby turkey. Her name is Princess Explorer, and she's really nice and soft. Lindsay, put my chicken down now. And Cutie, and also Cutie Pie, she does not go anywhere without me. And this is my sex link, like my golden sex link I just held. And her name is Scarlet. She's a really nice, pretty one. And when I raised her, she was like 2 days old, and she was all filled with black, and this was orange, and now she's brown, white, and black.